and welcome to Remarkable Games. Today we're going to show you how to play 3 cards, the Forgotten Pirate game. Every pirate wants treasure, and in 3 cards you start with just 3 cards. 1 coin card, 1 purchase card, and 1 victory points card. Earn coins, buy more powerful cards, and score the most victory points to win the game. 3 cards is for 2 to 5 pirates and takes around 25 to 40 minutes to play. It's for ages 10 and up. And if you're planning to play with 2 players, stick around until the end because there are a few changes to the rules. Separate the starting cards and give each player 1 of each type. Everyone also gets 2 coins, a scorecard, and a player aid to track their victory points. Separate the playing cards into tier 1, 2, and 3 and shuffle each deck. Depending on the number of players, take the required number of cards from each tier and stack them into one market deck, with tier 3 on the bottom, tier 2 in the middle, and tier 1 on top. Lay out a number of cards equal to the number of players to create the market. Shuffle the objective cards and deal 1 to each player. Keep yours secret. At the end of the game, you'll score your objective if you meet its requirements, but every other player scores it too. So keep an eye on what your opponents are collecting. Finally, choose a first player and give them the initiative card. Let the plundering begin. You always have 1 card of each type in your hand. Whenever you buy a new card, place the card it replaces face up in your personal area. These cards can be important for objectives and for resolving card effects. In a standard game, there are 12 rounds, each with 4 phases. Skip the preparation in the first round. During preparation, discard the remaining market cards and lay out a new market equal to the number of players. During planning, everyone chooses 1 card and places it face down. Then, in actions, reveal the cards and resolve them. Finally, at the end of the round, return the cards to your hands and pass the initiative card clockwise. Every card has a top and a bottom action. If only 1 player plays a particular type of card, that card uses its top action. If 2 or more players play that type, they use their bottom actions. Resolve the card types in this order: purchase, then coin, then victory points. When several cards of the same type are played, resolve them clockwise, starting with the player holding the initiative card. This icon means that you can purchase a card from the market. First, place the card you want to replace in your personal area. Then take the card from the market into your hand. Last, pay for the card. The cost is equal to the number of cards in your personal area. Purchasing cards is always optional. The market is never refilled mid-round. Take the number of coins shown on the card. For example, this coin card gives you 2 coins, plus 2 more for each purchase card played in this round. Score the number of points shown on the card and move the arrow on your player aid to your new score. After 12 rounds, the game ends. Reveal the objectives 1 at a time. Every player checks whether they meet the requirement and scores the indicated victory points if they do. For objectives, only cards purchased during the game count. Starting cards and wild cards are ignored. The player with the most victory points wins. If there's a tie, the player with the most coins wins. If you're still tied, share the victory. In wildcard mode, each player adds a wild card to their starting hand. When you play it, choose an opponent's card to copy. The wild card copies its action, but in a 3 to 5 player game, it does not copy the card's type. So if the copied card is the only card of its type, both players resolve its top action. Your wild card is then removed from the game. If 2 or more cards of the copied type were played, you resolve the bottom action instead. And if 2 or more wild cards are played in the same round, all of them resolve their bottom action. With 2 players, the game lasts 9 rounds divided into 3-round cycles. During setup, take 9 random cards from each tier to build the market deck and lay out 3 market cards. Both players also receive a wild card, giving them 4 cards in hand. Each player gets an objective as normal, but also reveal the top objective card. Both players can score this objective at the end. In each cycle, both players choose 2 cards from their hand and play them face down. Reveal and resolve them in the normal order: purchase, coin, then victory point. After resolving them, each player chooses one of their played cards to block. Place it face down in front of you and return the other card to your hand. If you played your wild card in the first or second round of the cycle, it must be the one you block in that round. In the second round, choose 2 cards from your 3-card hand and do the same thing. In the third round, play your remaining 2 cards. The purchased card takes the place of the same type of card, in your hand, among your played cards, or among your blocked cards. After that, return blocked cards to your hand, pass the initiative card to the other player, and start a new 3-round cycle. One more important difference: in a 2-player game, the wild card does take the type of the card it copies, so both players resolve the bottom action of that type. And that's how you play 3 cards. Will you become the next captain of this notorious ship? We hope you enjoy this fun little card game that's much bigger than the box suggests. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye!